चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
All right, let's put out more news break coming in. These are live visuals. In fact, this is the live action in Mumbai, where the AIADMK, beg your pardon, this is Chennai, where the AIADMK is staging a protest over the Hooch tragedy, which has claimed at least 57 lives. So it's not just the BJP, but the AIADMK as well that's mounting pressure on the DMK to sack the excise minister and initiate a thorough probe into Hooch tragedy that has claimed 57 lives in Kalakuruchi district. So the police resorting to water cannons and trying to clamp down on those protesters who are demanding the resignation of the excise minister. And for now, let's move on to more news break coming in. This one from the state of Karnataka, where the CID, as we understand, will now seek warrant of Suraj Revanna in alleged sexual assault case. The CID is likely to seek custody of the accused today in the 42nd ACMM court. The case file of Suraj Revanna will be handed over to the CID as well. So it's a body warrant that the CID will be seeking for the brother of Prajwal Revanna, Suraj Revanna, in a sexual assault case. And it's even being said that Suraj Revanna could very well be sent to a judicial custody as well. And here's a quick look at news in brief. This one from Madhya Pradesh, where a married woman endured a vicious assault allegedly orchestrated by a husband, brother-in-law and elder brother-in-law in Alirajpur region of MP. The incident that has surfaced shows suspicion, in fact has pointed to suspicions being raised about her character unfolded in public setting and was captured in a viral video where the accused was seen verbally abusing and demeaning the woman. Following the public outrage, authorities swiftly intervened, registered a case against the perpetrators. The SP of the region also confirmed the arrest of all three accused after the videos surfaced, which in turn highlights ongoing issues of gender-based violence in the region. And in news from Maharashtra's Latur district, where the police has intensified its investigation in the NEET scandal, registering a case against 4 individuals. One teacher has also been apprehended after evidence was gathered. Among the incriminating documents recovered so far include hall tickets as well as money transaction details from the phone of the accused. The anti-terror squad, summoned by 2 Zilla Parishad teachers for questioning, subsequently transferring them to Latur police custody. The ongoing probe note centers on allegations of exam malpractices and illicit sale of examination materials. Shivaji Nagar police even filed an FIR which underscores the seriousness of the charges. Authorities continue to delve into complexities of the case amid heightened scrutiny and public concern over the integrity of educational assessments.